Hello everyone from Seattle, Washington. I am Shanarel Dement.
I'm Regie Cruspero.
For today's video, we are going to show you how to make our own Frontliners Care Rat Cake with cream cheese frosting. Let's get started.
Thank you, Shanarel. So before we go to our main ingredients, we need to preheat our oven first. So for our oven, we'll need to preheat at 350 degrees. And this should be good to go for 20 to 30 minutes. And while that's heating, we'll go to our main ingredients. Alright, for our ingredients, we'll need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, half cup of canola oil, or we can also use vegetable oil. And our main ingredient will be 1 cup and a half of packed grated carrots. Also, we'll need our pan, which is 4.5 by 10 or 5 by 9 inch loaf pan. And this needs to be greased. We actually can use our canola oil to grease this pan for later. And so we're ready to mix all our dry ingredients. Shanarel, you can put our flour, and actually we need to have all these dry ingredients into a sift. And we put our white sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and our cinnamon. Very good, Shanarel. Thank you so much. And then we'll just try to sift it like this. So we'll try to sift all of our dry ingredients until everything is mixed up. So after we have sifted all our dry ingredients, we're ready to get into our mixer here. And the first thing is to put this canola oil. And we're gonna cream it. So we can just put it on the first level. So while that's actually creaming, we'll just need to cream this one until everything is mixed thoroughly. And when it's all mixed up, then we're ready to pour in our carrots. That color is fantastic.
Yes, very colorful.
Very good. And actually we can still mix in even when the machine is going, just to make sure that everything is mixed up all together. When we're kind of sure that everything is mixed up, we will now be ready to add in our dry ingredients slowly. So one at a time, otherwise, everything gonna be bursting into powder and we'll have our cream makeup. So we'll try to do it slowly and maybe a scoop at a time. And again, we can help our machine here mix up things just because it's a little bit dry, but in time it should be perfect mixing up. So we'll try to finish our dry ingredients to mix up. There you go, and everything is done. So we'll just have to make sure that everything is incorporated, and we can see that with the color mixture of this carrot cake. Now we're ready to take off from our mixer, and we can actually just take it out from here, mix it a little bit more. Alright, getting in there.
Looking good.
Alright. And that's our carrot cake batter.
There you go.
Ready. And we're just gonna like evenly spread it out. It's ready to go to our preheated 350 degrees oven. And for the cooking time, we'll need to have 45 to 50 minutes in 350 degrees. So let's put it in.
So after 45 minutes, we can check if it's ready to go. So now it looks good and cooked. We can take it out from the oven and let it cool.
We're ready for our cream cheese frosting. So we'll put first our 4-ounce cream cheese butter and our vanilla extract. And we're ready. And so we're quite ready to mix in our confectionery sugar, and we'll do it a little bit each time.
While waiting for the carrot cake to be baked?
Yes,
you can do it.
Exactly. And then while waiting, you can just put it in the fridge and let it chill for a while. So, you know, every drop of this frosting is so good. We'll need to scrape from the how to call this, the mixer here. So let's take it off here. And we're ready to put it in our container.
Let's see.
Do you want to taste a little bit, Shanarel?
Yeah,
maybe
I
you can
really want to.
dip your finger there and see if our sweetness is just right. Okay. How does that taste, Shanarel?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Alright, then
ready.
I think we're about ready. We're ready to frost our carrot cake.
Let's do it.
Do you want to do the honor?
Sure.
Alright,
So just
so you can just kind of pour a little bit each time, and then try to, you know, spread it evenly. What I do is I also use you know, just the butter knife. Sometimes the spatula or just a little bit, you know, more. So maybe we can scrape some from the spatula actually.
That's a good idea.
And then we'll try to. There you go. Oh my god, that's so gooey.
It's so fluffy.
Alright, there
And
you
soft.
go. And then we can just kind of evenly spread that out. How's that looking, guys? Oh my god. So, you know what? I try not to overdo it just because, you know, everybody has their own level of sweetness. So I think this thickness is pretty good, and you still have extra, you know, for those people or, you know, family members that have more of a sweet tooth, then they can put a little bit more once they have their share. So I think we're about ready. Our very own Frontliners carrot cake. Do you want coffee or tea? Alright, here we go.
We're ready to enjoy.
Everybody got their smiling faces, so we're ready to cut it. And let's judge, actually. But by the look of it, it's already good, right, ladies?
Yes.
Alright, okay. So I'm gonna give you a hefty slice of our Frontliners carrot cake. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Hopefully it doesn't fall, but Shanarel. Look at that. And Rochelle. Ladies, don't forget, we still have extra frosting, standing by. So if you need a little bit more sweetness, oh my goodness, the crumbs are falling. But there you go. And I'll get my share.
Hope you guys enjoy it.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later.